back to the gardening, guys. So today I'm coming down, I've been down here at the allotment on my own. No Shane, no Bailey. They're off doing something else today. I've come down to do little bits, and well, it's raining. I was hoping that I could take you over. Whoa, focus, camera, focus. No? Okay. Well, over there is my plot. I was hoping that I'd be able to take you over there and show you exactly what's going on and what's been done. Can't do it. I might be able to pull some off this because I did have a walk around up there with this on. That's a body-worn camera. I might be able to pull some footage off that and show you what's been done. But I can't do anything. It's just on, off, on, off. I've been in that polytunnel planting little bits, but not much more I can do for today. So I think for this video, we will leave it there for today. I mean, it's just absolutely, I'm going to get drenched going back, but it's what we do to bring you guys content. The glass house also needs shutting. I need to sort the polytunnel out because it's still open. The glass house door's open. I also need to take a piece of wood with me as well to be cut. I can do that at home though. And wow, it is really raining now. Yeah. So yeah, I don't think anything needs watering. It's definitely getting its water's worth now. I'm hoping this is just a passing shower, so I might just sit in here, have a drink and just chill for a minute. But yeah, nothing we can do today. I think this talks about, I've just been on the phone to Shane. There's not, I think there is plans of us coming down tomorrow, weather depending, but if it's doing this, which I think it is, not a chance. Me and Bailey have been working on my plot, the new plot, and I'll put a photo here for you to see. If it's raining, we don't really want to be doing too much. But if it brightens up a little bit, we'll put some more videos out and see what happens. What is that? Oh, the filler's coming out. Fantastic. But yeah, as for this one, guys, I don't know if you can't see it, the window. I might have to turn the contrast down on the camera. It's raining, so yeah, not too much more we can do today, or I can do. I have planted some mint in a trough that I'll put on my channel and this one. There's also some in singular pots. The cuttings that they took from when Bailey butchered the mint down here. So that's been, there's 3 pots of that survived so far. If any others survive, we'll pop them up as well. And we'll just see who wants them, really. And there's not much more we can do with that. And yeah, I think I'm going to head home. So as always, guys, thank you very much for watching, and we will see you very soon. Bye bye.